The optional personal eSIM in BMWs with iDrive 8 operating system offers an enhanced and simplified telephone experience. Once the feature is activated and the telephone function enabled, you'll experience improved signal quality utilizing the vehicle's roof-mounted antenna. Making and receiving calls will be seamless and no longer depend on having Bluetooth connectivity or even the presence of your phone. To get started, select Telephone and Mobile Devices. Here, the personal eSIM gives you access to your contacts and recent calls. To initiate a call, tap on a contact or long press for more options. When someone calls your mobile number, you'll be notified both on your device and in iDrive, even if your device is in another location. You can answer the call from either option or location. Continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW.